Welcome to Xplosions!
Welcome! We saw in YouTube funny channel Anger Rob channel who burns everything with gasoline.
Today I'm going to show you the best way to listen to a Luke Bryan CD. First, fill a cooler with ice. Then dump in your beer. Then light up your grill. Then put your Luke Bryan CD in the CD player. Then fill the bucket with gasoline. Then drop it in the bucket. Then plug it in. Then crack open a beer and listen to SKYNYRD like a real man.
That's right, and because us Xplosions guys, we love gasoline so much, today we actually blowing up the whole 20-liter gasoline canister.
So welcome to Gasoline Day!
Hey! Antti, what are you doing?
I demonstrate to you guys what happens if you sit nearby the big flame explosion.
Okay, sounds good. And why Stuntti Sami is here?
Today Stuntti Sami show to us why he get paid.
Okay, sounds good. Stuntti Sami, it's your big day, it's your big moment. Now we have the ignition, and here is the base charge, which drawing the gasoline on the air. And because I'm so funny guy, I add this canister actually here.
Under Sami.
Sami's
ass.
Yep, you agree with this?
Hey Sami, what are you hiding?
Yeah, he's sitting actually top of gasoline canister. And why not? I like Stuntti Sami's way to do things. He's so brave. Are you ready, Antti?
Yeah.
So it goes. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Sami, are you okay? Are you okay, Sami? No! No! This is not okay. Antti! Stuntti Sami is burning! Let's shut it down. Put some snow on it. No! His leg is broken.
I think Stuntti Sami is okay and he survived.
So how it went, Antti?
It went really well. The gasoline hits bottom of chair and it spread after that. Thanks for watching.
And remember to subscribe us and write a comment what we blow up next.
See you next time.
Wow!